Hello friends, today we start new topic. Topic is quadratic equation. Understood? तो आप लोग ने 9th स्टैंडर्ड में टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स पढ़े थे. देयर इज टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. देयर इज 3. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट? मोनोमियल, बायनोमियल एंड ट्राइनोमियल. अंडरस्टूड? मोनोमियल हैविंग 1 terms, binomial having 2 terms and trinomial having 3 terms. There is types of polynomial having based on degree. There is 3. First is what? First is linear and second is quadratic and third is cubic. Understood? So today we start quadratic equation. Understood? The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equation. Understood? Means what? quadratic equation क्या होंगे? जिसके अंदर उसका इंडेक्स पावर कितना होना चाहिए? उसका 2. अगर 2 नहीं है तो हमारा वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं है, और अगर वो सिर्फ x है तो अगर उसका पावर 1 है तो फिर भी वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन नहीं है. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कब होगा? जब उसका पावर कितना होगा? उसका इंडेक्स कितना होगा? 2 होगा. ऐसा में. और ये हमारा दिया है स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला दिया है किसका? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का. ये स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का. ax² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. अगर क्वेश्चन में तुमको दे दिया जाए कि 2x² प्लस 4x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0 and there find out a b c, find out value a b and c. How to find out? First there is a. What is a? There is power of square. A is this number is a. Then write down here a is what? 2. And there is b is what? 4. And c is what? 2. Got it? Let's start practice set 2.1. First question is write any 2 quadratic equation. Any 2 write down quadratic equation. Understood? I write here. First is x² plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. And now second, x² plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. You can write down any quadratic equation, any 2. Understood? You write down here y² plus 4x plus yx plus 2 is equal to 0. Got it? Now second question, decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Which are the following are quadratic equation. How to decide? First we solve here. First this is the standard formula. Understood? Now let there is power is what? There is power is index number is there is 2. There is index number is 2. This is quadratic? Yes, because there is maximum index is 2. Then write down here it is a quadratic equation. Got it? Now second, y² is equal to 5y minus 10. First we which form? Standard form we write here y². There is minus, there is plus sign, there is minus sign, 5y, there is also minus, then right here there is plus sign is equal to 0. ये साइड आ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये प्लस हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 0. तो यहाँ पे y² minus 5 है. there is power index is what? there is index is 2. there is index is 2. then right here it is a quadratic equation. Understood? Now third, y square minus 1 upon y is equal to 2. How to solve? There is denominator having y, then multiplying both side y. Understood? तो y से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों साइड में तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये हमारा y इंटू वाई स्क्वायर माइनस वाई इंटू 1 अपॉन वाई इज इक्वल टू 2y. अंडरस्टूड? इज इक्वल टू 2y. तो ये हमारा देखो y विल बी कैंसल्ड, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा वाई क्यूब माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2y. अभी ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में इसको हमको लिखना है, तो वाई क्यूब minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. There is what? There is a cube. Understood? So it is quadratic not. Understood? Then right here it is not quadratic equation. Got it? Now fourth, there is also denominator having x. We multiply both side x. What we get? X into x plus x into 1 upon x is equal to minus 2 into x. Got it? Now x into this is x will be cancelled. Now x into x is x square plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. The standard form x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. There is index number is 2. Then it right here it is a quadratic equation. Now fifth question, m plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. How to solve? Then solve here, write down first m, then this bracket all right here, and now plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. Then multiply by this number and also this number multiply. We multiply m into m square minus 5 into m 5m plus 2 into m 2m minus 10 is equal to what? 0. We solve this number minus 5m plus 2m, then right here m square minus 3m minus 10 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, yes or no? Yes, because there is power is what? Then index number is 2. Then right here it is a quadratic equation. Now 6 is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. How to solve? First write here m cube, this is पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे आएगा तो निगेटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस एम क्यूब प्लस 3m स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. m क्यूब माइनस 3m क्यूब, राइट माइनस 2m क्यूब प्लस 3m स्क्वायर minus 2 is equal to 0. There is index number is what? Cube. It is a quadratic equation? Not. Then write down here it is not quadratic equation. Understood? Now third question, write the following equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. Understood? How to find out values a, b, c? Understood? First question is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. First we apply this standard formula. Understood? Then find out the value of a, b, c. Got it? Now we apply the minus sign. First with what? Square term. There is minus, this is plus y square. यहाँ पे माइनस से इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस हो जाएगा. y स्क्वायर यहाँ पे प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 2i, यहाँ पे देखो प्लस 10 है, ये इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा -10 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 0. This is the standard formula. Then now find out the value of a b c. Then write here a is equal to, b is equal to, and c is equal to. What is the a values? This is multiplied by only one number because there is no number. We assuming one number. There is 1. B is what? This is b. There is 2, and c number is what? -10. There is sign minus. Then write down here -10. Now first is complete. Now second question, x minus 1 power is 2 is equal to 2x plus 3. How to solve? This is what? This is a minus. You know this solve having, you got it, a minus b is equal, a minus b whole square is equal to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Understood? अब इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हमको ये फार्मूला हमारे पास याद होना चाहिए, नहीं तो हमें ये सॉल्व करने नहीं आएगा. नाउ वी अप्लाई दिस हियर, दिस फार्मूला x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3. नाउ वी सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x, देयर इज प्लस साइन, हियर विल बी माइनस 2x plus 1 minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Got it? Now last is x square minus 2x is minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. We find out there is a, b, c. Right here a is equal to, b is equal to, and c is equal to. What is the value of a? A value is 1 and b value is -4 and c value is -2. Got it? Now third question, x square plus 5x is equal to minus bracket 3 minus x. Then solve here, x square plus 5x is equal to, bracket open, there is plus sign, this is minus 3, minus will be plus x. Got it? Now x square plus 5x, अभी ये इधर आ जाएगा तो प्लस x है, इधर आएगा तो माइनस एक्स, और ये प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करेंगे ये वाला, ये इस चीज को, तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा ये x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ राइट डाउन हियर a वैल्यूज एंड b वैल्यूज एंड c वैल्यूज. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a? A वैल्यू इज 1 and b वैल्यू इज 4 and c value is 3. Got it? Now fourth question, 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. We solve this equation, 2m square, then put here minus 2m square, यहाँ माइनस है तो यहाँ आ जाएगा क्या आ जाएगा प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पे m स्क्वायर 3m minus 2m square, what is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, then plus 9 is equal to 0. अभी हमको ऐसा दे दिया गया है, अब हम इसको कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, m स्क्वायर प्लस 0m प्लस 9 is equal to 0. This is means what? 0 into m is what? 0. Then write here a values, b values and c values. What is the value of a? A is what? 1 and b value is 0 and c value is plus 9. Got it? Now fifth question, p bracket 3 plus 6p is equal to -5. How to solve? This is multiply 3p, p multiplied by this number, 6p square is equal to -5. We substituting which standard formula? First write down power, xp 6p square plus 3p, then minus plus 5 is equal to 0. Then write down a, b, c, a, b and c. What is the value of a? A is 6 and b's value is 3 and c's value is plus 5. Got it? Now sixth question, x square minus 9 is equal to 30. Then solve it, x square minus 9, then plus, this is also minus 13 is equal to 0. Next is x square minus 9 and minus 13 is equal to what? Minus 22 is equal to 0. Understood? Now we write down this method. Understood? There is this method, write down. This is the x square minus 0x minus 22 is equal to 0. Got it? Now find out the value of a and b and c. What is the value of a? A value is 1 and b value is 0 and c value is minus 22. Now this is over. Next question is question number 4. Determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the root of equation. Are the roots of equation. How to find out this is roots or equation or not? When left hand side and right hand side are equal, then this is what? Root of equation. Understood? Now we solve. First question, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. x value is 1 and minus 1. Got it? यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया गया है और x का मान दिया गया है. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके. अगर दोनों का वैल्यू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड का वैल्यू सेम आ जाएगा तो वो क्या है, हमारा रूट ऑफ इक्वेशन है. और सेम नहीं आएगा तो वो रूट ऑफ इक्वेशन नहीं है. तो चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको हम लोग. फर्स्ट write down here x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट इज व्हाट, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x माइनस 5. एक्स फर्स्ट स्क्वायर प्लस 4 इंटू 1 माइनस 5. 1 का स्क्वायर इज 1 प्लस 4 इंटू 1 इज 4 minus 5. There is 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 5 is equal to what? 0. Then write down here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Got it? Now it is a root of equation. Write down here it is roots of equation. Understood? Then now this, put x is equal to minus 1, then left hand side is equal to, what is the equation? X square plus 4x minus 5. Minus 1 put here, minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 square is what? 1. Then plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4, there is minus 5. Then plus 1 minus 4. What we gave? 1 minus 4 is 3. But where biggest number is minus sign, then write down here minus sign. Minus 5 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 8. Understood? Then write here left hand side not equal to right hand side. Understood? Then write down here there is x is equal to minus 1, not root of equation, not roots of equation. Understood? Now second question is also easy. We solve it first, then write down same. Put m is equal to 2. Put m is equal to 2. First write down left hand side is equal to 2m square minus 5m. Then write down here 2m value is what? 2 square minus 5 into 2. There is 2 square. 2 square is what? 4. Then 2 into 4 minus 10. 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. There is left hand side is minus 2 and right hand side is what? 0. This is equal not. Then write down here left hand side not equal to right hand side. Then write down here there is m is equal to 2 not roots of equation. Understood? Now second, m is equal to 5 upon 2. M is equal to what? 5 upon 2. Then write down here, left hand side is equal to 2m square minus 5m. Then 2m value is what? 5 upon 2 whole square minus 5 upon 2. Got it? Now we solve. 2 into 25 upon 4 माइनस 25 अपॉन 2. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 एंड 5 into 5 is 25 and 2 square is what? 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Got it? So now 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2 is equal to what? 0. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then write down here, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then write down here, m is equal to 5 upon 2 is root of equation. Root of equation. Got it? Now question number 5. Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation. Is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. What is find out? Find out k values. Understood? First write down x is equal to 3 is a roots of equation. What is the equation? K x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Got it? Now what is the value of x is equal to 3? Then put x is equal to 3. Understood? In the equation. In the equation. What is the equation? Then write down here equation. Then equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Value of x is equal to what? 3. Then write down here k values 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. K square is what? 9, and then write down here 9k minus 10 into 30 minus 30 plus 3 is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. There is 9k minus 30 plus 30 is what? Minus 27 is equal to 0. Then 9k is equal to what? There is minus sign, is equal के इधर पे आएगा करेगा प्लस साइन. k is equal to 27 upon 9. 9 1 जा 9, 9 3 जा, k is equal to what? 3. K is equal to what? 3. Now sixth question. One of the root of equation. One of the root of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. To find the value of k. First, this is the solution. This is activity. How to solve? There is the fill in the blanks is a root of quadratic equation. What is the root of quadratic equation? Minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation. What is the equation? 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Now put m value is what? Minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. Now this equation solve here. First 5 into minus 7 upon 5 plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5. Now this what we write here, we solve here 5 into minus 7 square is what? 49 upon 5 square is what? 25. Now there is plus sign. Now 2 into minus 17 minus 14 upon 5 and plus k is equal to what? 0. Now we solve 5 and 5, 5 5 is a, got it? There is 1 into 49, 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to what? 0. Got it? Now there is sign will be same, then write here 49 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to what? 0. Then 49 minus 14 is what? 35 upon 5 plus k is equal to what? 0. Then 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. Then write down here 7 plus k is equal to 0. Then k is equal to, there is sign plus, यहाँ पे वो क्या हो जाएगा? Minus. Got it? Now put here value. There is 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now there is sign 7 plus k is equal to 0 and k value is what? Minus 7. Understood?